Hi, welcome back to Nice Nails 204. Today we're going to do Halloween ghosts. So we got our nail tips ready. We're going to use Madam Glam Perfect White, Vivid Purple, Perfect Black, Blooming Gel, and we're just going to get started. First thing we're going to do is grab the black. Helpful. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is get some color onto these tips. So we're going to do 2 of them in the Perfect Black and 2 in the Vivid Purple. This is a great black. 1 coat, you're done. Nothing better. So we just put that on, cover them good. This will provide the background for our ghosts. We grab our Vivid Purple, give it a shaky shake. Again, great coverage on these products. Just get that on as our background because it's Halloween, purple. So we get all these colors on. And then we pop them in the lamp for 30 seconds. As soon as we're finished painting. Good. In the lamp. Out of the lamp. Looking good. 1 coat's all we need. I mean, if it were a person, it would be 2. But for this purpose, we will only do 1. So we're just going to cover these with Blooming Gel. And that will help the little ghosties we're going to put on look more ethereal. Ethereal, whichever. And then we're going to put that on the purple as well. But we're going to do a little marble on the purple because you can, only have too much ghosts. So then we just take our Perfect White, put it on the palette, and I grabbed the brush. I should have grabbed the dotting tool, so we'll start with the dotting tool. There we go. A little more. Rando dots onto the Blooming Gel, so they'll start to spread out a bit. A little more. And the nice thing is they don't have to be perfect. And then we're just going to squiggle some white down that purple also into the Blooming Gel and let it go. So now we just sort of make the little bodies and drag that color out into the gel so it can bloom a little bit more. Want them mostly opaque, but not too much because, they're ghosts. They're kind of blurry. And then we'll just do a little bit of extra zigzags so this can all bloom out over on the purple. Touch up those little ghosties. Yeah, it's not that hard. And then we finish faffing. We'll put some little sort of arms. Yeah, that's it. Into the lamp, out of the lamp. Ta-da! I'm having a look. Back into frame. We take our dotting tool again with a little black. And we make 2 dots for eyes. 2 dots. 1, 2. 1, 2. Yeah, it's a super easy, yet I think effective way to make little ghosts. And now we've got little mouths, sort of like little scream mouths. You just put your dotting tool down and drag it down. Can't be much easier than that. Dot and drag. Dot and drag. Dot and drag. That's it. Ghosts. Ta-da! So then on these marble nails, excuse me, we're going to use the Après Marble inks, or Après inks, and we're just going to use a little gold and a little black because we want to sort of tone down the white a little, make it a little less vivid or vibrant. So I don't know if anyone else has trouble with the gold Après with the lid, trying to get the lid off. Sometimes it feels so goopy. I'm not sure why, but it's just, sometimes it's really hard to open up and you got to really reef on it. And I don't want to break the cap and I don't want to break the bottle, but it just, and I've cleaned the lid and the lip of the bottle. I don't know what it is. Anyways, if anyone has any ideas as to why this happens or if they have similar experiences, leave something in the comments so I don't feel as alone and ridiculous. Anyway, so we just put that on, smear it on randomly. I'm putting a little black on just to tone down that white. It's not super pigmented, but that's okay because I just want to sort of make it smoky and softer as opposed to just blam, white in your face. So I'm just dabbing some on and then I put my brush in a little acetone and just move the color around to create various tones of the ink. And then back in with the gold because I wanted a little bit more. And you just dab it on and then move it around how you want it. I mean, alcohol inks are great for all sorts of different looks. See, I've just taken too much off of that white and now it's all stark again. I'm not sure if I fix it or not. Do I fix it? I can't remember. I recorded this a few days ago. So I keep playing with it until you're happy with what you've got, and then you can just sort of be done. It's not once you get the hang of alcohol inks, it's super easy and super less non-time consuming to get a lot of interest on a set of nails without, it's not like blam in your face. It's a subtle way of creating some interest here and there and just adding a little zhuzh up the ghosts a bit with just a little bit of that gold in the black areas just to make it a little more interesting. And really, that's about it as far as this tutorial goes, or whatever this is, this ghost, whatever, I don't know, tutorial, watch me do something. Anyways, this is pretty much it. And then I'm just going to top coat these. I top coated one of the ghosts in matte and one in shiny, and same with the marble, 1 in 1. Completely forgot to turn my camera back on when I brought them out of the lamp and had moved on, so you're just going to see them shiny, but you'll get the point. And yeah, that's about it. They go back into the lamp for 30 seconds and out they come and you're done. Yeah. So much fun. You can see me pulling the other top coat. You have to make sure with the velvet top coat that your nail is evenly and completely covered for good. Yeah. So that's it. That's the ghosts. Hope you enjoyed it, and please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much.